math is great. 9, 10 begins the fun. Add up numbers one by one. 11, 12, let's explore. Math is always such a score. Counting numbers high and low. Watch how quickly we can grow. Math adventures never end. So much fun with every friend. 13, 14, that's the way. 15, 16, all through the day. 17, 18, almost done. 19, 20, wow, we've won. Let's add 1 to 21. Subtract a bit, math is fun. 22 and 23, numbers as far as we can see.